We're at this high school. It's kind of swag. This is like the complete opposite of where I went.
Does it look like I'm like ancient?
Oh, okay. I'm scared that people
I think she's cool. That's
I
why.
don't want to like record people. That's it. But I'm like,
That's why you record. You didn't.
I'm recording. I'm kind of hungry now.
Can you hear me? You got two Lakers.
No, I got the like bird.
Oh, you're not that.
Maleficent. Was it good? It's for the aesthetic. We got matcha. The matcha was bomb. Wait, look, show your coffee.
I mixed it.
It's kind of vibey. I got it all over me.
You're a messy person.
I know. This is so good.
I don't even want to drink it because I want.
TikTokers.
Really?
Yeah, we saw one last, like, literally the last times we've gone.
Like, you can't be aesthetic.
I am aesthetic. We're already by Griffith. This is like Griffith Park already, I think. Hey, dude.
Imagine the water just taking. You need help.
It's like in like 2 weeks or something.
Who is it?
It's at Dodger Stadium. Damn.
And then the other day I went. I like this.
They're gonna be like, why are you recording? I like it.
For me, it's the white chocolates from here that were so good.
Kind of pop off right
Matcha ones? Which one? What is aesthetic about that, bro? It's like a literally bird hanging from its ass. Nice.